Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test out this daisy flower mold. I'll put a link in the description where I got it, but it was about $4 Australian. So I'm going to make some earrings out of this mold, and first I'm going to mix up some epoxy resin and I'm just going to fill the centers with some glitter. I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to do the base colors. Now I'm going to just put some of this holographic glitter in some resin. Right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to let that dry for a few hours and I'll be back. Hi guys, it's a few hours later. So I've just mixed up some more epoxy resin and I've tinted it. It's because I'm going to do a few different colors. So the first color I'm going to use is this color from Just Resin called Strawberry Shake. Next color I'm going to use is Wisteria from Just Resin. The next color I'm going to use is Maya Blue from Just Resin also. Just pushing it into the edges there. Okay, and the final color I've decided on is breakfast at Tiffany's. Okay, I'm going to let them sit. I see a few bubbles already popping up here, so I will get my little torch and not get too very close and try and pop them. And I'll be back tomorrow to unveil. So it's the next morning. Let's unmold. I want to put some backs on these earrings and I'll be back. Well, there's the finished product, and I just honestly think they turned out great for a $4 mold from Shein. You can't really go wrong. I took some E6000 and I just put them on the back like that. But yeah, wow, they're really pretty. Well, that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I've got heaps more molds to try out, so I'll see you next time. Bye.